What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is follow these guidelines. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and watch this video all the way to the very end, and look out for a code word that will pop up in this video, and then type that down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win some free money. So follow those guidelines and get a chance to win this free money. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Amazon gift codes for free, and this is a new method. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online, and for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now, before I get into the method, I'm going to be real quick, guys. It's going to be a short video. Before I get into the method, I want to tell you about my other channels. As you can see down here, I have a channel called Random Reg TV, Random Reg Vlogs, Hustle, Grind, and Grow, and I have a health channel. It's called Random Health Tips. So guys, go ahead and check out all my channels and subscribe today. I really would appreciate it. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here and show you how you can get Amazon gift card codes for free. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, guys, I'm at the website, and the name of this website is Mobile Expression. So, as you can see here, it says join today, earn a gift card in only 1 week. Guys, all you have to do is just join this, and you're going to get a gift card within a week. So it says here, join Mobile Expression today and earn a gift card after you've been an active member for only 1 week. Plus, by keeping the Mobile Expression software on your phone or tablet computer, you'll be eligible for additional credits each week that can be redeemed for gift cards. How about that, guys? And as you can see here, first you have to see if you're eligible. So you just put in your device. So you put in mobile phone or tablet, and then you select your carrier and the manufacturer and select the device. And then you put down your email. That's all you have to do, guys. And let me show you something else. So let's click over here where it says benefits. So it says here, all Mobile Expression members are guaranteed rewards for their participation. As an active member of Mobile Expression, you're eligible for weekly credits that can be redeemed for gift cards to a great selection of retailers. So guys, all you have to do is just join this site, download the software on your phone, and within a week, you're going to earn a gift card. Most likely $5 to $10 what the card will be. Because what you're going to do is earn credits. And when the week goes by, you turn in those credits. And redeem those credits. Most of the time, it's $5 to $10 you're going to get. You really don't have to do anything on this site, guys. So guys, that's basically it. I told you it was going to be real short because I just stumbled upon this website and I want to go ahead and tell you guys about it because it seemed like you guys always looking for Amazon gift card codes. So you can come here and you'll be able to redeem your codes or credit for a gift card within a week. So go ahead and go to mobileexpression.com and get started. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me get to 100 likes. Just all I want is just 100 likes, guys. It's going to help out my channel and my video if I can get 100 likes. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Hey, road to 5,000, guys. Let's get there, and you can win some free money once I get there. All you have to do is type that code word that popped up somewhere in this video, and once I reach the 5,000 subscriber mark, you could be the winner of some free money. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you again. Really appreciate it. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Peace, and have a blessed day.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on, yeah.